Hi everyone, Thelma here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I want to share with you my very first Temu haul. It's a mixture of different things. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive right in. Okay, first I want to show you this. It's a digital thermometer. It's shaped kind of like a knife, but it's a thermometer that this part here comes out, and that's the part that goes in the meat, and it's just digital. And this was one of the items I won in a game that I played on Temu. That and this here drone. They all ended up, the 4 items that I won ended up being only $30. So we got this E99 drone with camera. Let me see, I'm going to take it out. I'm not going to put it all together because it's not mine. I gave it to my son. But it comes in this little carrying case, and it unzips. Has a good little handle on it, and it comes with everything you see here. The remote, which runs by batteries. The little drone itself, which has 4 little compellers that come out there right here, that come out, has to be recharged, and then it also comes with instructions and extra little pieces, like for the compellers on it. But got that. And I was going to show you how it flew, but I decided it wasn't a good idea to do it in the house. And I wouldn't know how to do it. I never could fly, use them little remotes and do things. I never could. Okay, and then I bought this, it's called a mini paper cutter, and it comes in other colors, white, black, blue, and maybe green. And then there's this drawing, let me get it out. Comes with the drawing. This is the USB cord so you can charge it. And here is, it has paper over it right here to protect it. But see how shiny it is? And you just plug it in. Let me see this side here, the small end. You just plug in the small end right here on the back. But this is how it works on the back. Now I haven't opened any of these up and used them because of wanting to open them up for you all. But this is supposed to be a real good little gadget. Okay, and then there's this, it's a flashlight, and it comes with a little battery, and the USB to charge it, but it, right here's where you plug it in at, and I don't know if it's pre-charged. And then the batteries will go right there, and it's got a little clamp on it right here, so you can clamp it on your shirt or your pants. And the battery goes down in there. You just take that out. And it's not pre-charged, so I can't show you exactly how it works. I'm just putting it back in the little box it came in. Now, I was just wanting to update you all. I had my surgery on my right eye for my cataracts on the 18th of December last month. And it worked. I can see out of my right eye. Every now and then it blurs over, but the doctor said that that's normal. And at the end of the month, on the 29th of January, I'll be having the surgery on my right eye. So, okay, this is a, I don't know what it's called, because even though I can see, I can't see real fine print. But it's one of those little things that you seal bags up, like potato chip bags or cereal bags. And it's real small, but there it is. You just put the bag right through here and run it across it. Hang on, I'm dropping everything. I'll get it. It was just the back. I'll get that later. I bought 4 of these. It was cheaper buying, because I was going to buy 3 different colored ones, these humidifiers, but they had a special. You get 4 of them for under $7, where if I was going to buy them individually, it would have been, well, no, they were under $6. But if I'd have bought them individually, they would have been like $8. But this is just a little humidifier, and right there's a little start button, and right here's where the steam comes up, and let's see, it has the little USB cable so you can charge it up, plus instructions, which I'll have to have someone else read for me. But it's just the instructions. And I got this in white, and I'll show you the other color here in a second. I just got to get this back on there. And but these might be small, but they are they're real good. They're supposed to put out the same amount as the bigger ones. Okay. And then here's the pink one that I got. I got 2 white and 2 pink. So I'm just going to show you the pink one. And here at the back of it is where you plug in that cable. And here's what the top looks like. And again, it's on a little cord too. And to go with these, I bought some scented incense and lavender. And trying to get it open on the bottom here. It just comes in a little jar like that. And they had other scented scents too. Okay, now I only have 2 more items here. This is eyebrow razors. You get 3 of them in here, and they were less than $1. Let me see if I can open this up. There we go. I'm just going to get one out and show you. And it comes with a little cover over the blade. They're blue, pink, and this is like a little orange one. But the cover comes off. And there's your little razor. I won't be using these until after I have my other surgery because, well, I really don't feel like shaving all the hairs off of my eyebrow. And the last item is one of these little corner punchers for paper. You just put your paper right in there, right here, on this side, and you here, clamp right there, and that's it. Alright, I want to thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my channel. If you like this Temu haul, let me know. That way I'll know to get some more stuff and show you all. I have some more that I ordered that I'm just waiting for it to come in. And if you like this and some store hauls, which I do, DIYs, which I'll be getting back into with my eyes being fixed, and then I also do makeup vlogs and just vlogs in general. So be sure to hit that like button. It really helps my channel grow. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell and select all, and leave me a comment. I'd like to hear from you. And just by doing that, you will be entered into the 2 giveaways that I have going on right now. And I have 2 small videos that show and explain the rules. Just go to my channel and find the 2 short videos and watch them, and you'll see everything that's in both giveaways. Alright, until next time, bye-bye.